Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So as usual, we are just gonna take a quick run through Nasdaq and see what possibilities we might have for the week ahead. So we are approaching a new month, so I think by Tuesday things will start looking properly, because Nasdaq has just been wild this past week. But yeah, starting off on the weekly, we can see that we have this break of structure right here. Okay, and after price broke that, you can see that price came down in towards this order block right here. All right, actually came twice to test it, and then we had a lovely move towards the upside. However, looking where price might be heading to is do have another form or point of resistance, as you might call it, this gap that we have right here that price might want to close up. And then obviously we have this order block right here, but however price could just break towards the upside and just taking out this high that we have right here. Right, but that's just for future reference if it happens. Nevertheless, I'm gonna just take out this, but yeah, price might want to have to close in this before heading towards the upside. But let's go down to the daily. Let me just remove this. So on the daily time frame, you can see that price is obviously at this price respected this bearish order block that we have right here. All right, and if you head down to the 4 hour, which we'll do in a minute, you'll see that price couldn't break that, which we'll take a look at in a moment. All right, but here you can see that price tried to break through but failed then again, and we are sitting at that level once again. All right, however, for long opportunities, I would wait for price to reach inside this level right here, and if price breaks through that, my focus will also be at price and close in this gap that we have right here. All right, so that will be my focus for long opportunities. All right, if price then decides to drop from where it is right now. But nevertheless, let's head down to the 4 hour. We'll have a clearer picture of what price did. So yeah, like I said, on the 4 hour, we can see with this bearish order block that we had right here, right there. All right, you can see that price has failed to close right above that level. So yeah, it's gonna take a lot for price to break that, but once we do, we know that we can continue towards the upside. But for now, price needs to break that before I'll look for long opportunities. But for short opportunities, I would rather wait for price to break this low right here before looking for further opportunities towards the downside. All right, so I'll wait for price to break that, and then I would look for selling opportunities. All right, but for longs, we can see that price has broken structure multiple times here, and price has obviously broken structure right here. All right, so for long opportunities, I'll be looking at two areas of where I might want to take longs from. It would be this point right here and this point right here. So those are the two places where I'll be interested in taking long opportunities, from here and from here. Right, but that's if price decides to head or come towards this level in future, right? But for now, I'm just gonna sit on the sideline and see what happens. Let's just go down to the 1 hour and see. Yeah, so on the 1 hour, you can see that price took out the highs right here and closed above it, so that might be a possible break of structure. But if you look to the left and we just mark out the gap that we had, which would be this, where's this brush tool, there we go, which would be the high, that point, alright, and the low, that point, that would be the fair value gap or the imbalance or whatever you want to call it, alright. We can mark that out, the low of that, let's make it blue, the low of that and the high. We can see that price just closed in that gap after taking out this high, right? So like I said, for long opportunities, I would rather wait for price to come towards the zone that I marked out, right? That's just my view, or that would be my highest probability for a buy instead of buying where price is right now, right? So for short opportunities, this could work out. Yeah, like I said, I'd rather wait for price to break this low right here and then look for short opportunities within this region, or my focus would be on this candlestick right here for short opportunities. So probably something like this from there and towards the downside, or break there and push higher and then look for shorts from there until the level that I marked out, which would be here and here. And then obviously, like I said, I would look for longs either in this region or this one, right? So that's my plan, or what I'm looking at on Nasdaq, right? But like I said, this space has been quite messy the past week. As you can see, prices, this order block has held the price for a long time, so we'll have to wait and see if price breaks that. That will determine our next move. All right, so yeah, I think that's all for now. It's not a long video, short and sweet, but yeah, hope you guys learned something and took something from this. Until we speak again, I wish you guys a safe week. Look after each other, stay well, stay blessed, and I wish you happy trading. Until I speak to you again, cheers.